This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Barely lived in 4-bed/2 bath, split floor plan, kitchen west/island and pantry, granite counters in kitchen and baths. Both baths have double vanities, coffered ceiling and fireplace in living room, mud bench upon entrance from garage for jackets, book bags etc. LVP flooring in all common areas, tile in wet areas, carpet in beds. Call quick for apt.